Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to walk through submission of JSON data to Luminovo endpoint. For those people who never heard about Luminovo, it is an electronic supply chain management company, and they do provide API, which you can find here. The reason we created this workflow because we're currently working on helping our customers, one of our customers with Luminovo integration. So here's the workflow. First step is to set the variables. We're using a live environment, and we also have a token. So we submit the token to Luminovo, and we get another token, which we use as bearer. For further submission. The next step is we create company JSON file. Then we load the result of this creation into variable. Is a variable called cBody. After that, we submit to Luminovo endpoint. So here's the URL. We have number of parameters. We're using post method. We submit JSON. Again, body is taken from the variable, which we have just loaded. And we also expect the result to be 202. So as unusual, usually it is 200, but this is what API wants. And after that, if everything works fine, we copy source QED to backup folder. Using current date. We're using current date because we are submitting the data once per day, and we also copy JSON data to the same folder. Let me run it. Hope that it will work. Indeed, it did work. Show some logs. Okay, so everything working as expected. Okay, if you want to help us with your data transformation challenges, so for example, you're migrating data from one database to another, or want to automate working with some APIs, please feel free to contact us. We would be more than happy to assist you. Otherwise, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.